Hi, I'm Bill Watson, President of Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Welcoming you to 5469 South Rifle Street in the very desirable Smoky Hill Community and the Cherry Creek School System. This awesome updated two-story home, located in a cul-de-sac, is ready for you to move into and enjoy. The open layout on the main level features a spacious kitchen that flows into a very cozy family room with wood-burning fireplace. The upper level features a private owner's suite and 3 extra bedrooms. And the backyard with a huge patio is outdoor living at its best. You know what? Let's go take a look. Thanks for taking a look at 5469 South Rifle Street, located in the very desirable Smoky Hill Community and the Cherry Creek School System. For up-to-date pricing or to schedule a private showing, give us a call at 720-463-0002. If you or someone you know is thinking about making a move, give us a call at 720-463-0002 to request our free report on the 27 valuable tips you should know to get your home sold fast and for top dollar. And when you do call, don't forget to ask us about our Buy This Home and We'll Buy Yours guarantee. We look forward to hearing from you.